The final friendly letter assignment is to write a thank you and goodbye letter to Mrs. Dickinson. Her last day with us for this school year will be May 15th. It is only a temporary layoff, and hopefully she'll be back with us in September. So I'm going to make a short video showing you what should be on your friendly letter to Mrs. Dickinson. You're all going to start with a blank document like this, and it's called Friendly Letter to Mrs. Dickinson. It will have your name in the front, so please keep this title as it is. And on the top line, you're going to put your return address in. Now, I'm not going to type your return address because I don't know it, but this is where you would put your street number, your province, your city. So it's your house and street number, or avenue number, your city, your province, and your postal code. Okay. I've tried to get some of you to correct that on your original draft to whoever you wrote to last time, and some of us are still working through that. Then you would hit enter twice, and you would put today's date, whatever date you're writing. Okay, today's date with a 2020. You do not need the day. So if today was May 6th, you would put May 6th, 2020. And you would enter again. And here you would put Dear Mrs. Dickinson. Please spell her name correctly, as you will be sending this letter to her. And put a comma after Dear Mrs. Dickinson. Enter. Okay, your first paragraph should include a brief 5 or 6 sentences telling her what you've been doing, describing your life over the past 6 weeks. Okay, so you might say, ever since the schools shut down, I've been on a schedule at home. I get up every morning, make breakfast, do my chores, and then I get online to see both you and Miss Ma. During the rest of the morning, I do my homework, and then in the afternoon, I get to play. Okay, you might also want to say something like, are you enjoying this self-isolation or quarantine or social distancing? Something to that effect. So you're describing your life over the past 6 weeks. Okay, and then you also may ask how she is. How she is doing. Okay, how are you doing, Mrs. D? And then you would enter. In your second paragraph, you may want to, I would like you to say something about thanking her for working with our class and saying goodbye. Okay, something like, I heard that all educational assistants have been laid off until September. I would like to say thank you for helping our class and for helping me, especially with math, French, science, whatever it is that she helps you with. This is just goodbye for now, but hopefully we'll see you in September. Something like that. Okay, so you're acknowledging her for her hard work and you're saying goodbye. Okay, you can even say, I'll miss you. I enjoyed reading with you online, something to that effect to make her feel nice. Your third paragraph, you might want to say something like, something describing your eagerness to return to school or not. Maybe you're not eager. You want to see your friends. Can't wait for things to get back to normal. Okay, and then you would put your closing. So, best regards, take care, comma, your student, comma, our student, comma, enter, enter, and then you would write your name. Okay. So your letter should be fairly long. It should take most of the page, at least 3/4 of the page. If it's this short, then you haven't done enough. It would just be like if I'm asking you to speak with her, except you're just speaking through words. Okay, we're going to give that a try. You have just over 10 days to finish it. I would start it sooner than later because we are going to send her these, and I will print them out for her. Thank you.